Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're new to our channel, welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. So hit that subscribe button below and make sure to turn on your post notifications so that you would be notified every time we post a new video. Today we will show you how to put together a beautiful romantic centerpiece for Valentine's Day. If this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching and let's get right into making this beautiful piece. For this project, you will need a wine glass, 2 candle holders, a charm, pearls, water beads, glitter of your choice, Mod Podge, LED light, and a rose from the Dollar Tree. We're using pearls, but you don't have to use pearls. You can use whatever stone or gem of your choice. We're using pearls because it does give off that soft look and that romantic vibe. This part you apply the water beads first, then the pearls, then more water beads, then more pearls. Then you will continue the process of the water beads and the pearls. And then after you have applied water beads and pearls, you're going to kind of mix it up together, combining the pearls and the water beads. And after you've done that, you're going to slowly apply the water to the wine glass. After you have applied the water beads, pearls, and water to the glass, then you will place the LED light inside of the water. We're using a charm to decorate the bottom of our glass, but you can use whatever you choose to decorate the bottom of your glass. This charm we are not making permanent, so you may see a little speck of glue because it's not going to be permanent. But if you're going to make this permanent, then you want to apply a glass glue, something that dries clear and that you cannot see. Now we're moving on to the candle holders. We're lining the inside and the outside of the heart with Mod Podge, making sure that we stay within the lines of the heart. After the Mod Podge is applied evenly to the heart, then we will apply you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so at this time so you can receive all new notifications every time we post a new video. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you. And we will see you in our next video. Bye.